tasks. Okay, complete the following business checklist of things to do. The first thing to do on the checklist is write down 3 business tips. So where do you get these business tips? Well, we have them all over the website, and it's sometimes really difficult to find. So what I did was in the past, I did the Ultimate Home Inspection Business and Marketing class. It's a video, and I list a ton of things that you could do yourself. And I would like you to watch this training video with me. We'll watch it together. And then you pick 3 lessons or tips that you can apply to your business. And then I'll follow up on them. So please watch the video, click the link, and let's watch this video together, me and you. And I already know what's on it. And there are a ton of things to choose from. I would look for the one thing about marketing. There's one thing that you can do related to your marketing. So there's a lot of things. Let's take a look at this training video and have a notebook and pen out, and you're going to write down things that inspire you, that you feel that you can do immediately. A business tip, you write down that business tip, write down 3 of them, or something that you learned, a lesson that you learned from the Ultimate Home Inspection Business and Marketing class. And we're going to share that with others. Okay, click the link now. Watch the video. Let's go.